President, distinguished colleagues, I am Senator Akon, representing Akwa Ibom South Senatorial District. I rise to move a motion on urgent need to address the sorry state of computer education by providing training for teachers and basic computer facilities in our public schools. The co-sponsors of this motion are as reflected on page 40 of today's orders of the day. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, the Senate is aware that the national policy on education recognizes the importance of computer education and ICT by providing for the training of teachers and provisions of basic facilities for teaching computer knowledge in primary schools and secondary schools. Aware that computer knowledge is being taught in primary and secondary schools across Nigeria, theoretically, observes that computer knowledge is a practical subject that must be practiced for effective understanding. Further observes that most public schools in Nigeria lack competent teachers in computer knowledge and the basic facilities to properly teach pupils and students in primary and secondary schools computer knowledge. Senate notes that almost all aspects of Nigerian and global sectors is now ICT-based, and our future generation have not been prepared for the future. Senate is reminded that education, inclusive of computer education, is a fundamental right. Accordingly, resolves to urge the federal government and all stakeholders in the education sector to address the sorry state of computer education by providing computer training for teachers in public schools and to provide basic computer facilities for the proper training of pupils and students in computer knowledge. 2, urge the government to formulate a policy for the building and equipping of computer labs in all primary schools in Nigeria. 3, mandate the Committee on Education, when constituted, to liaise with all stakeholders in education to comply with this policy. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, it is my privilege to lead the debate on this all-important motion, which seeks to address the shortcoming in computer education in our nation. We are in a digital world and have all witnessed the transformation of our lives through technology and through ICT. ICT play a basic major role in all fields